Bikroy.com is one of the largest online marketplaces in Bangladesh, where users can buy and sell products and services. It operates as a classified ads platform, allowing individuals and businesses to post listings for various items or services. The platform is widely used for selling new and second-hand goods, ranging from electronics, vehicles, property, jobs, and services to household items. Hello friends! From today's intro, you can probably guess that we are going to learn how to create an amazing website just like Bikroy.com. But then a question might come to your mind: why make a site exactly like Bikroy.com? So let's take a quick look at what its key features are. Free listings, local marketplace, focus on connecting buyers and sellers within the same geographic area, wide range of categories which includes options like electronics, vehicles, real estate, jobs, and services. Then user-friendly interface, simple and intuitive design for posting ads and browsing listings, and directory communication. Buyers and sellers communicate through chat or phone to negotiate deals. So let's get started. Firstly, search for free classified WordPress theme powered by Radius theme. CLClassified is a free WordPress theme designed for classified ads and directories, letting non-coders build a site easily. It supports revenue earning through promoted or top ads, bump up, featured listing, and membership subscription. And this is totally a free theme. Now we will make Bikroy type website with CLClassified theme. Let's install and activate CLClassified theme first. For this, go to the Appearance theme. To add new theme, click on Upload theme. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. And then click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate. And you will get several required plugins to begin installing plugins, but before that, click on Activate License. We need to provide the license key here. And then click on it. For this, select the All plugins to install and then Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and select again all of them to activate. Then click on Apply. Now return to the dashboard, go to the Plugins, Installed Plugins. Find RT-Demo Importer and click on Install Demo Contents. You'll get a fine predefined home pages to install. Let's click on it. Now give a few seconds to complete it. And here it is. In the next, we will now add categories and locations. For this, go to the Listings, then Location. Like this, you can add your desired location and save it. Now go to the categories to add new one. For example, electronics. Select your types like sale, buy, or exchange. Then, for adding image, select your appropriate image for your required product. Now click on Add New Category to save it. Let's go to the site to visit it. Here you will find it. Next, we will build Ad Submission Form. For this, we need to go to the Classified Listing plugin and then Form Builder. Click on Add New Form and you will get 3 options to choose. But today we will create form with AI. Let's click on it and get 4 steps to complete it. First, you need to choose a name for your directory and then select or create a directory type. In the third step, specify location. And lastly, for choosing keywords, you can take help from these suggested keywords. That's it. Here, this is AI-powered form builder. From here, you can add or remove form fields as per your need. It totally depends on your requirement. While you think you're done, then click on Generate Form and get this type of form. For this entire form, provide a name for this. Then click Save Form. Now go to the form list. And from here, we will now activate our customized form and delete the general one. Now let's visit the site to see our customization. For the next, let's check listing submission from admin end. For this, go to the listings to add a new listing. Provide a suitable title for this. For example, I want to sell my gaming monitor. And then you will write the description about it in details. And then provide your category, set your price, provide the condition of your product, and for the product image, select from yourself. For the contact information, now carefully provide your name, phone number, WhatsApp number, location, and etc. While done, click on Save. And from here, now let's click on this link and you will arrive in the listing details page. Here, this is the title, description, condition, contact name, and the admin information, along with the price. In the next, we will configure settings for your classified website. For this, go to the classified listing plugin, then settings. Go to the listing settings. You can set your listing duration and enable add to favorite option, and then new listing status and listing status after edit as published, completed, and etc. Then click on save changes. Now go to the all listing page. From listing archive settings, you can customize the listing per page, listing order, and etc. from these given options. You can also choose to enable or disable these given fields options in your post. Now let's visit our site to see this customization. Here you can see these ads are displaying as featured. Now let's back to the settings again and go to the listing details page to customize these given options further. If you are done here, then go to the payment and you will find 3 options for this. Alright, in the next, now we will monetize with pricing plan. So let's go to the classified listing plugin and then pricing. Click on add new pricing and provide a title for your pricing plan. And then set your price and the number of days that this price will be validated. Make it featured and provide a description about your plan. While complete, click on Publish to save. You can make your ads to be featured for 30 days, 20 days, or 10 days. This is how you can create your pricing plan further. Next, we will check it from user end. For this, click on Post your ad and get this type of appearance. Provide the title and then category. Now write the description about your product. Set your price and the condition. For the image of your product, select from yourself. Then for the contact information, provide your name, email address, phone number, WhatsApp number, location, and then submit it. Here you go. You will find 3 plans for your pricing. You can select and choose any one from here. Then for the billing details, you need to provide your first and last name. Provide the location of your address. Mention your city, phone number, and choose the payment method. Then click on Proceed to Payment. Do not forget to provide your postcode. And here, this is our order details. Now click on View All My Listings and you will get your all created listing here. Now back to your dashboard. Go to the payment history and you will find your payment status as pending. Let's click on your particular order. For making your payment status as complete, select it and then click on Update to save it. Now let's back to the site again and find it here. In the next, we will customize your classified ads website. Now click on the top as Customize. For your logo, you can customize it from here. Then go to the header. Firstly, for your heading customization, you can provide and set your button text. For example, post your ads and then save it. Next, go to the listing settings. And here you will get several options to enable or disable. For example, search by type, search by location, search by category. If you disable this, it will not appear anymore. Or if you want, you can make it enable again. Then click on Publish to save it. This is how you can customize it one by one. Next, we will now edit it with the Elementor and get this type of appearance. Firstly, go to the Style for our background customization. From here, you can customize your background color from this color picker. And also, you can change your text color. You can choose this color from its color picker. This is how you can customize all the background color like this. Not only that, from the advanced settings, you can also customize its margin and the padding. While customizing your padding, it will look like this. Now go to the Style again. Let's change your background color from here. And for the heading customization, you can modify its typography along with its text color. While done all of your customization, let's click on Publish to save these. And let's view the site how our customization look like. Thus, you can create buying and selling website like Bikroy.com. Thank you for watching.